3D printers are a massive part of our business. As we move into this digital dentistry world, without printers, we would not be able to do our jobs.
Andent is an Australian Melbourne-based dental lab that specialises in crown and bridge and implant restorations. We joined the Modern Dental Group 8 years ago, the largest dental lab group in the world. 3D printing is an essential part of our business. We receive more than 50% of our cases via intraoral scanner. We also produce pretty much all products through a CAD process, whether that be CAD scanning, milling and printing.
Traditionally, it was done manually on the bench, and that was time-consuming, messy and not as accurate. Before we had the Asiga printers, we were really questioning the integrity of our process.
We couldn't find a system that was always reliable, repeatable of multiple prints.
We decided that the Asiga printers was the best fit for our business. We went with the Max UV because print after print, we were getting reliable, accurate results. The level of detail in the surface finish is exactly where we need it to be.
The fact that they're an open system, they're very accurate across all prints, and we get multiple materials and multiple products with one printer.
Since we got our first Asiga back in 2018, we haven't looked back. We're now up to 9 printers. And when Asiga released the Pro 4K, we purchased one straight away. Because we're a high volume laboratory, the high output and high productivity of the 4K was perfect for our needs. The 4K Pro printers we generally use for printing our crown and bridge models and our implant models. The smaller Max UV printers is ideal because of the smaller size for those products that we don't do that frequently and we don't do that many of, such as custom trays, try-ins, temporary restorations. The open material architecture of the Asiga is a great advantage because it means there's more than one material for a certain product. If we're not 100% happy with one material, we know there's always an alternative to try. And if Asiga don't have a material in their range, we know that there's always going to be a third-party manufacturer that will produce that product for us. When Asiga released the Dentagum product, which is a soft tissue product for implant models, we had to try that material straight away. As soon as we did our first prints with the Dentagum, we realised that this was the way forward to digitally print gingiva. The level of fine detail and the quality is excellent.
Joining with Asiga printers has really changed how we manufacture things. It's cost effective, it's fast, it's very, very reliable, and we can have 9 different printers and be happy to print over any of them, and we get the same accuracy. It's the best printer that we've ever found.